For Santa Cruz, California residents looking for no hot water repair, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. Our team of knowledgeable plumbers can diagnose and fix a variety of problems with water heaters, giving you access to hot water when you need it most. Are you looking for no hot water repair services in Santa Cruz, California? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Can a plumber fix no hot water? In Santa Cruz, California, we at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment specialize in cold water repair, thus it is true that a plumber can fix issues with cold water. Our knowledgeable plumbers are equipped with all the instruments required to pinpoint the problem and swiftly resolve it. Our team's repairs can help you get your hot water supply back. Can clogged pipes cause no hot water? It is true that having cold water might be caused by obstructed pipes. When pipes clog, there is less water flowing to and from your water heater, which might prevent hot water from reaching your showers and faucets. Because of the gradual buildup of minerals or debris in older plumbing systems, this can be very problematic. Where is your service area? The California communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among those that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, http://santacruzplumbingrepair.com, Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/